Hey guys, it's GBT here, and today I'm going to show you how to do Minecraft. Today's episode is going to be on farming. So, to get the seeds for farming, we're going to want to punch this tall grass. You're also going to want some water. I'll get one more seed, just for luck. Come on, really? Okay, good. I got enough seeds. Now I'm going to go get some water. And go find this water. 8. I'm going to open this. Now I'm going to make a hoe. So you need that, and then you need that, and you get a wooden hoe. Now you're going to want to use this hoe for tilling the land. Take this. Now brown color. Plant your seeds on that. And plant your seeds on that. Plant your seeds on that and that. Excuse me, that was my belly rumbling. It's almost time for lunch. Plant your seeds on. Oops, not that. What'd you see that there? Plant your seeds. You know what? Just the rest of these dark brown patches. Okay. Put it on that. Oh, there you go. And the patch right there. Patch right there. Okay. Let's see if there are any other patches. There you go. And there. I'll just plant these. Okay, good. So here we have a nice little plantation. So you're gonna want to make sure none of the creeper crawlies walk on your stuff. So I might as well just throw up over there. That. Good. So you're gonna want to go fence. To do that, we need wood. And now, at the moment, I want to make a little nice house right here. Not really a house, just a little shelter for the moment, so that I can hide here during the night. Okay, good. That's more seeds. Now take your 2. Take your dirt, like that, like that, like that. I thought you already had to make a basic shelter, so I'm just going to do this, if you don't mind. That's how I need to get started. Clear out as much of this seeds as I can. Okay, that's enough dirt blocks. Now I'll just continue on with my shelter. And go there, 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 and then you're gonna wanna make another layer up. That isn't bad. Look how much sunlight left. There, 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 and around it. And then there and there. Good. Now we got ourselves a nice basic shelter. So a little torch. Out. Oops. Now I need to do cars to spawn inside the little shelter. And drop straight block down. No, not that. Oops. I don't keep destroying stuff. Oh my god. Okay, so just wait for the next day cycle. This is my nice little makeshift. I might as well make some tools from it over here anyway. So take a case of wood, put 3 blocks in, and make 3 wood planks, and then there, 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 and there, and there. So take. Good, that's really enough. Sticks. And make a little shovel. Shovel. And then I'm going to make nothing else. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, I want to make a sword too. You most definitely want to make a sword. So I'm going to take my stick, like that. Take my stick, right here, and one sword. I wonder if any creepy crawlers will come. I didn't have time to beautify my little shelter, but I'm supposed to not do that tomorrow. Anyway, that's it. The basics of farming. Oh yeah. Also, one more thing. To plant the crops, what you should do is to make the soil, first of all, take your hoe, right click on the ground. Make sure you right click. Absolutely sure you right click. If you left click with the hoe, so this is your hoe. If you left click hoe, you destroy the block. If you right click with it, it turns into that. What if I just planted for some reason? I don't think in this version of the game, I don't think if you walk on your crops, it'll destroy it. I think it'll still remain very good. Let's get the one sword. Slate. Anyway, that's it. The basics of gardening. Goodbye, and see you next time.